Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Tech. This is my OnePlus Nord 5 running with OxygenOS 15V1502 V600 build. But today me and all OnePlus Nord 5 owners got new stability update of OxygenOS 15V602. Its size is about 138 MB only. Actually, I didn't receive this update via OTA or via release candidate section. I got this update via OxygenOS updater. I installed this update because it have the latest security patches, but after updating I got one major issue which I am going to discuss with you all in this video. So anyone who will get this update, they will get clear idea why to skip this update for now. Watch this video completely. Now without further ado, let's get started. After update flashing got finished, I checked out the about device details which is now updated with the new version as OxygenOS 15.0.2 v602 ex01. Remember, this is not as October SOTA v120p02 update. That's why SOTA version is just mentioned as ex01. Security patches of this version is updated to latest October 2025. That is main reason why I updated my device via OxygenOS updater. In our last uploaded video, we discussed the major SMS vulnerability found for devices running from OxygenOS 12 to 15, and OnePlus acknowledged that issue. You can find that video from the iCard link. OnePlus also promised to fix this issue before mid of October 2025. So I was thinking this one and the other SOTA update released by OnePlus having this major fix. But after thorough testing, I got one big issue in this update for camera application. For a few minutes after update, camera application was working smooth, but when I switched to selfie camera, immediately I got some problems. While using selfie camera, it starts to freeze for a few seconds. It's completely unusable. After closing the application and when I reopened it, it starts to work good again. But while switching between selfie and main camera mode, it again causes some issues. This is very disappointing that camera application, which is everyone's daily uses application, got such major bug in the stable OTA updates. So my request to all users, even though this update comes with major security fix, but I also have this big camera bug, so I recommend you all OnePlus Nord 5 users, if you get this OTA, then rethink before you update your device. I re-verified this issue and I got lots of users facing same problem with camera application in this OTA. So wait for a few days, OnePlus will release this update after adding fix for this bug. And if you already updated to this version, then report this issue via feedback section available in the OnePlus community application. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.